Artificial intelligence technology is the perfect customer discovery and research tool. In fact, AI-driven analytics are providing invaluable insights into vast amounts of data generated by businesses every day. With AI algorithms and machine learning, organizations can analyze patterns, detect trends, and extract meaningful information from complex datasets. These insights enable businesses to make data-driven decisions and respond swiftly to market changes, often without the need for human input. From sales forecasting to supply chain optimization, AI is transforming decision-making processes and empowering organizations to stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching. Please select the links in the video description to find additional workplace applications of artificial intelligence technology. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI Tools and News channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Bye for now.